What's up everyone, my name is Mr. Breakie and welcome to a brand new Content Creator 101. And well, today is the special one, stress. How to deal with it, how to grow from it. I have no clue. I'm not a doctor. This is not medical advice. This is mostly just to relax and just have fun with it. Don't push yourself to the extreme. Don't, beat yourself up if you didn't upload or anything, or pretty much, miss a deadline, or at 8 o'clock in the morning or something, you're doing a 24-hour editing stream or editing videos and stuff like that, like crazy nights on everything. Don't do that, okay? Common sense. But mostly just drinking water and having fun with it. And it, like I mentioned before, from my other videos, that if you're really just doing it for a hobby or just having fun with it, then don't stress about the numbers, don't stress about content creation or just in general of it. Just have fun with it, just upload it. That's all you have to do. That's all. For a professional side, it's just more just doing bulk edits, getting everything done on that one day, or like recording, then like the next day focus on editing, then on the next day do like sound or something, and then like actually scheduling it and getting it through. That way you pretty much have that week or the 2 weeks good to go, set up, and you have the thumbnail, you have the title, everything's good and golden, and that's it. Like, that's how to really beat stress, I guess you could say, to an extent. But it's just mostly just how it's gonna pertain in life and on everything. It's just things are gonna happen. The winter storm happened. It threw off everything. I was busy with work, and now I'm on the 24/7, kind of like on call, and ball this, ball that. It's a lot of things, and you just gotta fight. You gotta push through, but just catch yourself, breathe, go for a walk. Once again, drink water again, and just relax and just try your best. If in the room that you're stressed on everything, just leave. Just get out of the room. Get out of the room and just go into the living room. Go into the restroom, I don't know, something. Go to a different room and just breathe. That's the best advice I can give you. And other than that though, just do the best you can. There's no rush. You don't have to be like the world's greatest content creator. Just be who you are and make the content. Thank you everyone for watching on everything. My name's Mr. Breakie, and that was On Stress, Content Creator 101. And I hope you have a great day and just, fight through, push through, all that fun stuff. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.